Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert this PDF right here into Microsoft Word. You might say, but I don't have any software. But I already have a software that I can do it. I'm going to show you exactly that software, and that software is the Microsoft Word. We're going to bring up the Microsoft Word. Notice we have the blank right here, so we're going to drag this PDF and drop it right here. Right? So if you hold on the left side of the mouse and touchpad, you're going to drag it. You're going to drop it right there. But by doing that, can you convert it? Yes. You see exactly. Alright, if you notice right here, it's a word will now convert your PDF into editable Word document. So I want to click on Word OK right here. Alright, so when I click on Word OK, you can always come right here. So now I expand it, the window, definitely. So you will see come up shortly and all of that. So it's one of the ways. There's another way in which you can actually do it. Right? If you notice, let me bring it up some more right here. So this is if you notice, I can actually edit it right here. So this is the one of the way I can actually convert the PDF right here into Microsoft Word document. Right, so this is one way. Now I'm going to show the next way in which I can actually convert this. Right, so what I want to do is to open the Microsoft Word. So notice when I open the Microsoft Word, what I wanted to do definitely come like this, open it like that. I'm going to go to File. And when I click on File, if you notice, this is the document of my work. I'm going to click on it. Notice when I click on it, you notice to bring up the same look box, but you notice this box can actually move. Alright, you can click right here to OK. When you click on OK, notice right here shows it actually converting it right here. Right, you can press escape to actually cancel it. Right, if you notice it's actually converting, but sometimes depends on the amount of document. Right, if you have like maybe 50 and all that, will take quite a while. Right, and this is the second way you can actually convert the PDF to Microsoft Word. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.